I'm James from GlobeRanger, and today I'm going to show you our track and trace demonstration, which incorporates both the iMotion platform and the private 5G network that comes from 1Finity. As parts and materials come into the factory, we get a read and we get an arrival alert. Also, there is a timer that starts to record the dwell time to ensure that the parts and material move through the process in a timely fashion. If at any one stage the parts get stuck at a particular location or workbench, we have a dwell time, and once the first part is triggered, we get a yellow alert, and then if the part doesn't move on to the next stage in the time allotted, we then get a red alert, which you can see on the screen here. What this does is it allows our customers to identify bottlenecks or potential issues with the manufacturing or maintenance process and allows them to rectify that. So at each stage as we move stuff through, we can actually get a breadcrumb trail of how things have progressed, including the time it took for each part of the process. And we can do this right through the facility. We can get through to rework, and if anything needs to be reworked, it can go back in. And every step is recorded with a timestamp, as well as the progress of how fast it went through and whether it met all of the SLAs. So once we finish with the manufacturing part of the demonstration, we can then move over to the storage. So in the storage section, we have the ability to track stuff as it comes into storage. Forklifts can be RFID enabled, so that as things are put away on shelves, we get an accurate location, whether it's a particular shelf or even a stack, and how high we go. This is important so that if things are ordered or the part has to be called forward for whatever reason, then the picking team can locate it really quickly and the whole shipping process goes really smoothly.